Hey there, language lovers! Today we're challenging our inner catness and diving into the world of Jennifer Lawrence. So grab your bow and arrow, pen and paper, and let's hit our linguistic targets.
You look gorgeous as always.
Thank you.
Talk about gorgeous. Look at this right here.
Thank
Ooh la la, ça sent.
Thank you.
First up, we have gorgeous. Now, I know what you're thinking. Isn't just a fancy way to say beautiful? Well, yes and no. Darling, you look absolutely gorgeous today. Gorgeous is like beautiful cranked up to 11. It's not just pretty, it's stunningly attractive. You might use it to describe a dress, a view, or even a particularly delicious pizza, because let's face it, in J-Lo's world, food can totally be gorgeous.
There was one horse named Bones. Growing up on a farm, you have ups and downs. There's good things and very sad things. And I was at a cheerleading competition. I was a cheerleader, which I'm really proud of.
Yeah.
Now, growing up is the process of maturing from child to an adult. You might say, growing up, I had my fair share of ups and downs. It's a way of saying your childhood wasn't all sunshine and rainbows, but it wasn't all storm clouds either.
I give him a lot of advice.
Wait, I do too.
I know, really? But do
Yeah.
you text him?
Yeah.
Do you make a difference in the show like me?
I've never made a dent.
When Jennifer talks about making a dent, she's not discussing car accidents. To make a dent means to have a noticeable effect or make progress, especially when the task is difficult. It's like pushing against a giant boulder. Even a small movement is significant. For example, I've been studying for hours, but I feel like I've barely made a dent in this material.
When I found out, when Luann announced her divorce to Tom,
Sad, yes.
I was horrified and shocked, and my stomach dropped because I realized that I had just seen the reunion, which means they aren't filming. And so I texted Andy and I was like, get a camera in Ramona's face right now.
Next up, stomach dropped. This isn't about losing organs, folks. Your stomach dropping is that feeling you get when you are suddenly scared or shocked. It's like that moment on a roller coaster when you go over the big hill. You might say, when I saw the surprise bill, my stomach dropped.
I begged for and finally got a clap on, clap off in my room. Oh, it was sick.
It didn't quite
was
work.
awesome.
It didn't.
Now let's talk about to beg for. This isn't just asking, it's asking with extra sauce. Please, oh please, can I have the last cookie? To beg for something means to ask for it very earnestly, often repeatedly. It's what kids do in toy stores and what dogs do when you're eating something delicious.
I mean, we'll see, because one of the stars' fate is kind of in my hands. So,
This is insane.
to
Which
brag.
one do you watch?
Last but not least, we have to brag. Did I mention that I can touch my nose with my tongue? I'm basically a superhero. To brag means to talk about your achievements or possessions in a proud, boastful way. It's like being your own biggest fan. A bit too loudly. And there you have it, folks. We've just taken a linguistic tour through J-Law's lexicon. Let's recap our targets. Gorgeous for when beautiful just isn't enough. Growing up, ups and downs, life's roller coaster ride. Make a dent, small progress on big tasks. Stomach dropped, that sudden uh-oh feeling. To beg for, asking but make it desperate. To brag, being your own biggest fan. Remember, using these phrases will make your English more colorful, so go forth and speak celebrity. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Bye.